Mr. Mush here. So, today for our clay project, we're going to make a little polar bear and a little narwhal poking through the ice, staring at each other, okay? So, as always with our clay project, all you need is oil clay and clay tools if you got them. All right, so let's get to it. So, first off, I'm going to take this blue clay. This is going to be my icy cold water. And I'm just gonna spread it out to help make our scene, okay? And it's always good to make it like wavy and just squish it out just like this, okay? And then I'm gonna take this light blue clay and I'm gonna make a chunk of ice for my polar bear, okay? And what's great about the chunk of ice is like there's no defined shape. Okay. So I'm gonna put like that. And then like maybe a chunk over here in this corner. And then I'm gonna put one, like maybe this ice is chunked. Maybe this ice is cracked. Okay, that's what I meant to say. Just like that. And then that leaves us space for the narwhal. Okay, now I'm gonna make my polar bear and I'm gonna put him right here. Now you can make this as big as you want, like your scene if you have a lot of clay at home. I'm just doing a little scene right here, okay, as you can see. All right, so for my polar bear, I'm just gonna make a little like oval like this, and then I'm gonna take some more clay and then maybe a little less, yeah. And then I'm gonna have him looking at the narwhal like this. So it's like, so if you're like, he'll be looking like that, okay? But before I do that, I'm gonna give him a little scarf, okay? Because why not? Okay, so I'm gonna make his scarf and I'm gonna make it look like it's blowing in the wind, like this, okay? And there's my polar bear, okay? So I roll a coil, smush it up, and there he's gonna be looking, okay? Then I'm gonna give him little tiny ears, okay? So I'm just rolling little balls and smushing them. Okay, just like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna give him a little nubby tail. Okay, just like this. And then I'm gonna give him his little legs. Okay, and I'm just rolling up coils like this. And then I'm gonna stick it on to my bear's body like this. And I'm gonna have his one front leg like he's like really like trying to like touch and observe more of the narwhal. Every time I see or think of a narwhal, I think of Elf. I think of the narwhal in Elf, if you've ever seen that movie where he goes, "Bye, buddy. Hope you find your dad." That's what I think of narwhals. Okay, so he's like that. I'm gonna have this arm, have this arm resting, and then the other arm is gonna be the one like trying to like this. See how it looks like he's getting ready to like try and touch it? So it's like that. And then I bend it a little bit for his paws because you know, in our arms, we have joints like that. Now, you might be like, Mr. Mush, we're missing something. You're right, we're missing his face. So I'm going to give him little black dots for eyes and nose. Okay, just like this. I think that'll be his nose. And then take a little more for his other eye. And I think that's good. All right, so then there you go. So it looks like this. Like, there's my scene. Okay, so he's, and then I'm gonna make a narwhal peeking out. Okay, and sometimes, like, if you have extra clay, like you can see, like my clay gets a little dirty, I just mix it in and get it going, and then it doesn't there, it's not there anymore. Okay. All right. So I'm just rolling a really thick coil, and then maybe just split it in half. Okay. And maybe, you know what? I'm gonna put him on this side. Yeah, so you can see better his arm like that. Okay. And then I'm gonna have the narwhal. I'm gonna just have his little head peeking out. Like this. Okay. And I'm gonna take a little bit of the blue and just put it around his head. Like this. To make it look like he's peeking through the water. So I'm just gonna roll a little coil like this and put it around his head. Okay, and narwhals are like the unicorns of whales. I'm not even sure if it's considered a whale, like in the whale family, because it's a narwhal, it's not a whale, but you get what I'm saying? Okay. So there, so look, so there, right now it just looks like a purple blob. Okay. And then I'm gonna do his horn. And like, you know, I don't know what an actual narwhal's horn looks like. I'm guessing it's like brown or tan. I'm twisting the horn like this. And then I'll take off what I don't need. Like that. Okay. And I'm just gonna do little coils to make it look like the narwhal is smiling, like it's happy to see the polar bear. Now you can put the other eye on the other side. I'm gonna do it like this. Okay, hold on, polar bear. Maybe like this. No. You know what? I'm gonna do one eye. And then I'm gonna do a smile. Like that. And put a little, there you go. There you go. See, just like that, for a better view. And then we'll put the little polar bear back, and he's checking out the narwhal. Just like that. And then you have a nice little scene. And if you want to put the other eye over here on the other side, so if you do turn it around like I did, so no matter what side you're looking at, it feels complete. Okay, and then I'll give him a little bit of his smile right there. See? Like that. Okay, so there you go. All right, I'll leave it there like that so you can see it. All right, so with that being said, I would love to see your polar bears and narwhals. Maybe you throw a penguin in there, or a polar bear family, or maybe they're having a picnic together. Who knows? But I would love to see your sculpture. So send us an email, tag us on social media. I would love to check out your work. All right, with that being said, I'm gonna head over to the next project and I'll see you next time.